Yeah, look what just came in the mail. Brand new surprise we're going to be showing you guys a little bit later on. Today we're going to be working on the S2000. We're going to be figuring out how healthy the motor is, and we're also going to do some installs of this guy right here. So when we come back, we're going to go ahead and show you guys what we have going on. Welcome to the channel. This is Gearshyft. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. This when I was a kid, what happened? You should be very proud. So today we're gonna go ahead and do the compression test and check out this motor. So I'm not sure if you guys really know this, but this motor that we actually got was a Junkyard motor that we pulled out from an S2000 that was on fire. So we actually don't know how healthy this motor actually is. So now that we already dropped it in, we know that it works. Let's just see how good. First things first, let's go ahead and remove those spark plugs. Okay, so finally got all the coil packs and spark plugs out. So at this point, it's time to see which cylinder is going to perform the best. If there's any of them that's going to be weak, I don't know. I'm kind of scared, but let's go. Compression gauge. .230. .220. .220, baby. All right, looking good. Okay, guys, so it's time to put in the new spark plugs. We're gonna put in NGK Iridium spark plugs. We're gonna tighten them down to about 21 pounds of torque, and we're gonna use our classic torque wrench, the old school one that they had way back in the dinosaur days. But the cool thing about this guy, never needs to be calibrated. So let's get to it. Alright everyone, so we just got back from doing the first drive, and it feels so smooth, feels so healthy. Like I said, I'm just very happy with the results that we got back. Cylinder 1 being the strongest, and cylinder 2, 3, and 4 being pretty much about even. So it's safe to say that we came up on this Junkyard motor. It's not always about the outside that counts, it's also what's on the inside that counts. Gee, I know. But it's true. So, I bet you guys also forgot that we had a package. Let's find out. Let's see what it is. We happen to order the in-dash car mount. So, we're going to go ahead and get this guy all set up. But we don't have to keep it inside of the cup holder. We can actually have its own designated spot in the car, which I'm excited about. Win! Victory, baby! Takes a little bit of time, but we finally got it all doctored up. Let's go and check out the S and check out our new Modify install. Oh yeah, that's super clean. One thing, as you guys saw in the time lapse, it took us a little bit of time to get this guy installed. I kept dropping the screw a couple of times, so bothered me a little bit, but overall we got this guy up and going. And one other install that we did, not today, but we added an aftermarket accelerator pedal. This will actually help me out with my heel toes a little bit more, and yeah, that's gonna be pretty nice. Well, thank you guys very much for tuning in to another episode of Gearshyft. Make sure you guys smash that like button so we can get this video out to everybody else around the YouTube nation. Make sure you guys also smash that subscribe button, because a lot of you guys are watching but you guys have not subscribed, so make sure you guys do that. We're watching. No, I'm just kidding. But once again, thank you very much for tuning in to Gearshyft. We'll see you guys next time. Be cool, guys. Late.